Not the sugar cane, not the sugar cane. Not the glass as well. Ginger?
No.
Galangal? No. Not the ginger family. Bamboo? No. Lemongrass? No. You guys heard about like pandan leaf before? No. Is this the pandan leaf, everybody? And about the pandan leaf, is this element for the aroma and for coloring as well. If you have like Thai dessert, sometimes they serve Thai dessert in the green color, and the green color is made from this one. And about the pandan is, everybody, we can make it for the tea as well. This one, if I'm gonna comparing, I'll make it easy. I comparing with your guys vanilla. This is the element for our dessert. Forget the aroma, forget the color. Yeah. I will let you smell it, everybody. Thai people really love it. We cut it, make it small size, dry it, make it for the tea. And also sometimes we boil it together with other tea. Example, the you guys heard about like a butterfly pea flower before? No. Is this the flower? Or sometimes we steam with rice as well. Yeah. We boil it together with the jasmine rice, or we steam it together with the sticky rice as well to get the aroma. Or we boil like a herbal drink, herbal tea, something like that. And the next station, everyone, please follow me over here. Oh. Is this the one that I told you? Is this the cocktail chili in Thailand? Let me guys see the two other things. The little one. Yeah. Please don't trust to the size, everybody. Even the small one like this, it destroys everything. Okay. You got ready to taste? Please say no. No. Yeah, thank you. Okay, skip. Next. Everybody, please come to us around here. I have something to show you. Is this the Thai herbal leaf again? I will let you guys break some for yourself like this. Taste it, the flavor. Okay. How was that, everybody? It has strong aroma, but about the flavor, you will get a little bit bitter. About the leaf here, everybody, we call it bitter leaf. Yeah, bitter leaf. But I think not the same one that you can have it in
India.
Yeah, not
It's
the
not
same
the
one.
same one.
Yeah, not the same one. About the bitter leaf here, everybody, in Thai cuisine, we serve it mostly. We serve it together with the soup, or we can make it be like a snack as well, like welcome snack, welcome serve, something like that. In our class today, we also have it. Yeah, but it just changed the season from the winter to be summer. It start to grow up again, you see. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to find it in the winter. Yeah, but the summer for now it start to like grow up again. Okay. Please follow me over here. Everybody, can you please tell me what the green fruit on the tree here? Eggplant. Not everything.
Who told me eggplant? Show me your hand. Yay!
Yes, eggplant.
Eggplant! Yay!
This is the green papaya, everybody. And about the papaya, I think you never seen about like green